Upskilling is a lonely job. It is very hard to share your challenges, your small, big achievements with anyone. What if you had a safe space where you can share, discuss, have a sounding board with whom you can chat and be an accountability partner to you? We know this. We have helped thousands of professionals with their careers. Thus, we created TruePass, a single membership to our community that gives you access to all the product workshops, AMAs, expert sessions, interview preparation, micro courses, and everything else that you might need in your journey to up your career. I'm not even going to talk about the pricing here, because the pricing is just ridiculously affordable. It is cheaper than a Starbucks coffee, for example. So what are you waiting for? Enroll right away, and I'll see you in the next session in TruePass.